I've never seen people smile this much at a vending machine. Designed to look like a giant hot air balloon, it inflates amazing balloons right before your eyes.
Meet the Balloon Magic Vending Machine, a dream machine that turns every moment into pure joy, inflating custom-shaped balloons right in front of kids' eyes. With a simple tap on the touchscreen, children can choose their favorite from 14 loaded designs. The entire process is fully automated. In a 2-minute cycle, the machine picks, inflates, and seals the balloon. And while the magic happens inside, a fun animated cartoon plays on screen to keep the excitement building. The experience ends with a genuine unboxing moment. Simply snap on the sturdy plastic stick, and it's ready to be held high and waved all the way home. It's more than a balloon. It's an unforgettable experience. Built for wow. Built for revenue. Discover the Balloon Magic Vending Machine today.